Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the bio class. Before starting the new concepts, let's have a quick recap of what we learnt in our previous class. What we learnt in our previous class? We learnt about hormones. What do you mean by hormones? Which gland is responsible for the secretion of hormones? How the hormones will flow, comparison of the hormone system and the nervous system, and we studied about where are the glands located in our body. And after that, what we studied about the types of the glands: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal gland. If the hormones are not produced in the enough quantity what the body requires, what all will happen, that also we studied. Which are the glands that are releasing which hormones, that also we studied in our previous class. Which gland is called as a master gland? Pituitary gland, right? These are all the concepts we studied in our previous class. Today, let's begin the class with the new concept. Let's see what is that. Let's begin the class with human excretory system. Now let's see what do you mean by excretion. Excretion is nothing but what? It's the removal of the waste products after the chemical reactions like excess of the water and the salts that is taken in the form of food from the body. That is called as excretion. We should not get confused excretion and egestion. Excretion should not be confused with the egestion. Egestion is nothing but what? Passing of the feces, because most of the compound contents of the feces will not take part in the chemical reaction. Now let's see which are the organs plays a very important role in the excretory system. The organs are kidney and urinary bladder. Kidneys and the urinary bladder plays a very important role in the excretion. The main organs of the excretory systems are kidneys and the bladder. How many kidneys human being have? The two kidneys, one at the right side and other at the left side. We human beings have two kidneys, one at the right side and other at the left side. Kidney is a bean-shaped organ and it is located above the waist at the back. Let's see about human excretory system. Blood is carried to and from the kidneys by a special artery and vein. Here, the kidneys that removes the chemical substances like urea and the other unwanted substances from the blood. Now we know that the blood with the waste that is carried from what? Carried from renal artery. After it is filtered, then it is carried from renal vein. The kidneys also controls the amount of water in the body. Kidney makes urine. From what it makes urine? It makes urine from the urea. How the urea is obtained? Urea is produced by the breakdown of kidneys. Means kidney makes urine from the urea and water and the other waste that is present in the blood. Now the urine that travels to the urinary bladder through this tube from the each kidney. Same from this kidney also. The urine from this kidney travels to the urinary bladder through this tube. Bladder is a bag that stores the urine and there are the ring of the muscles at the base of the bladder. What is the role played by this ring of the muscles? This ring of the muscles keeps the bladder closed until one goes to the toilet. Then the tube carries the urine out of the body. Tube helps to carries the urine out of the body. This is about human excretory system. What we learned from our previous slide, we learned about human excretory system. Which are the main organs of the excretory system? Kidneys and bladder. Now you know where the kidneys are located in the human body. And you learned one more thing about excretion and egestion. Excretion is what? Removal of the waste products when after the chemical reaction in the form of what? Excess of water, salts that is taken in the food from the body. Feces which does not take part in the chemical reaction, the removal of the feces is a process called as egestion. Egestion is a process which removes the feces which does not take part in the chemical reaction. How many kidneys does the human being have? Human being have the 2 kidneys. Where it is located? Above the waist, at the back. What's the role played by the kidney? Here kidneys has the renal artery and renal vein, from which the blood is carried to the kidney by renal artery, and after getting filtered it goes from the renal vein. The kidneys that makes what? Urine. From what they will make the urine? Kidneys from urea, water and the other waste from the blood. Urea is obtained or produced when there is a breakdown of protein. And also kidneys helps to control the amount of the water present in the body. And once the urine is produced from the kidney, it travels to the bladder through the tubes from each kidney. The bladder is a bag that stores what? The urine. And there are the ring of the muscles at the base of the bladder that keeps the bladder closed until one goes to the toilet. Once goes to the toilet, the urine is carried through the tube out of the body. This is about human excretory system. Let's study about how the kidney works. From the previous slide, we came to know that renal artery brings the blood with waste to the kidney. After getting filtered, the filtered blood goes out from renal vein. Here, kidneys acts as filters because it cleanses the blood. Filtering is done by the millions of the tiny tubes called as nephrons. Here the blood from the renal artery that consists of the veins flows under the high pressure from an artery into the bundle of the capillaries. Can you see the capillaries here? The urea and the other waste along with the some of the water are filtered out of the tube. The urea and the other waste that present in the blood and the excess of water that is removed from the tube. And this filter fluid goes along the tube where it turns into the urine. The urine combines with the urine produced by the other nephrons and goes out of the kidney and gets stored into the bladder. This is how the kidney works. From the previous slide, we studied about how the kidney works. Kidneys are like filters because they clean the blood. Where the filtering is done? We saw the filtering is done in the millions of the tiny tubes called as what? Nephrons. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of what? Kidney. How the filtering is done? The blood from the blood consists of waste flows through renal artery with the high pressure and goes into the bundle of capillaries. The urea and the other waste along with some amount of the water are filtered out into the tube and goes along the tube and turns into the urine. The urine combines with the urine produced in the another nephron and goes out of the kidney as the urine and stores in the bladder. This is what we learnt about how the kidney works. From the previous slides, we learnt about kidneys are like filters because they cleanse the blood. And we also know that kidneys helps to maintain the right amount of the water in the body. We know our body contains what? Lot of water. From where we get the water? The food we eat, from that we get the water, and we drink more amount of the water. And we loses the water. Yes or no? Yes, we lose the water. How? When we are playing, when we are running, when we are doing workout, what will come? Sweat will come. In the form of sweat, we lose the water. While breathing out also, we will lose the water, and we lose the more amount of the water in the form of urine. Always the amount of the water in the body is controlled to make the person to stay healthy. And the amount of the water in the blood is always monitored by the brain. The brain sends the message to the kidneys by releasing the chemical substance, that is what? Hormone. Means to tell the kidney that how much amount of the water to remove here. And we know that from this the adult body always contains what? 40 liters of the water. When we lose 2 liters of the water, we will feel thirsty. So we drink water because body is losing how many liters of water here? 2 liters of the water. And suppose if the body loses 10 liters of the water, what will happen? Death occurs. Why? Dehydration process will start because more amount of the water will get lost. If the more amount of the water gets lost, the cells will start to die. Then what will happen? Then finally it results to the death. So in order to stay healthy, we have to drink at least 8 glasses of water. This is what the kidneys also have. Kidneys plays a very important role in maintaining the right amount of the water in the body. In today's class, what we learnt about? We learnt about excretion. What do you mean by excretion? Excretion is the removal of the waste products after chemical reactions like excess of water, salts taken in the food, and urea from the body. That is what? Excretion. Egestion is what? Egestion is the removal of the feces. The feces that does not take part in the chemical reaction. This thing we learnt in today's class, and also we learnt about what? Kidneys. How many kidneys we human being have? 2 kidneys. Where they are located? And kidney is a bean-shaped organ. What is the role played by the kidney to maintain the right amount of the water? Why the kidneys are like filters? This also we studied. And we studied about kidney contains the tiny tubes, millions of tiny tubes, that is called as what? Nephrons, which is the structural and the functional unit of kidney. And we studied about how the kidney works. This are right amount of the water, how the kidney helps to maintain the right amount of the water. These all the things we learnt in the today's class. Thank you.